Hey guys, welcome back to Measure and Mix. I'm here today to share with you a collab video hosted by Sharon. She's so fabulous. She posted a video a couple weeks ago inviting anybody to join in on an interior decorating collaboration. So I hopped on that opportunity and that's why I'm here today. I want to share with you my living room. So take a look. Okay, I want to start out with my fireplace because it is my favorite thing in my house. My husband and I retiled it last year. We found this subway tile at Home Depot. We did a herringbone pattern on the floor. And then we did a brick pattern around the fireplace. And I believe it was all under $200. It might have been less than that, I can't remember. Then next we have our palette wall behind the TV, which is mostly meant to hide the cords from the TV. But I whitewashed the palette wood to give it more of that farmhouse feel and kind of a muted tone, so it wouldn't stand out too much and be too much of a distraction from the tiles on the fireplace. Next, we have our built-ins, and me and my husband did these built-ins. We needed something to anchor this wall and give it more of a focal point, which I think it did, and it also heightened our room. We have 8-foot ceilings, and so this gave us like a really good height when you look at it now. Next is my mirror, which I made from an old rusty wood planter that I found. I took it all apart and I just put it together in like a starburst, sunburst type of style. Now we have our coffee table, which my husband made. And originally it was like a cart style with wheels, and it was stained with a walnut stain. But when we moved into our new house a couple years ago, it just didn't match the decor here. So I took those wheels off and added some legs I got at Home Depot, and then I chalk painted it and distressed it to give it that farmhouse feel. Here I have a blanket ladder that I made out of scrap wood. I stained it and distressed it and put it here in the corner to give some more height to this wall. And then this is my wood frame that I got at a barn sale, and I just added this magnolia wreath that I got from Joann Fabrics. My couches I got from Wayfair. They are Ashley Furniture Signature Collection. We got these a couple years ago. And over there in the corner is my little pallet wood dog bed that I made for my 3 little puppies. Just took pallet wood and cut it in half and then nailed it together and put a bed on it. They never lay there. They always lay on the couch with me, so But I made it, and it's there for them if they ever need it. And then this is a little table I have here that I've had for forever. And originally it was black, and then it was gray. And then I decided to chalk paint it white to match my coffee table. And then we have a little bit of Easter decor here. And then lastly, we have my little wall vases that I made out of mason jars and pallet wood. I just took a clamp and screwed it into the wood, and then attached the mason jar with the clamp. I just need to get some pretty flowers for in there. All right, guys, that is my tour of my living room. I hope you liked it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Please give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And as always, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.